Say hi, Isaiah. Say hi.
Say hi. Say happy birthday, Ava.
Happy birthday, Ava.
Thank you.
Thank you for letting us share it with
Of
you.
course.
Yes.
I'm glad you guys were here.
Oh, it's so special. It's so cool.
Ava, is that good? Is that good? Oh, you stinky baby.
Purple mouth. Girl.
Not enough.
That looks good, isn't it, Trin? Yeah.
Yummy.
Good. Oh my gosh, girl. Yeah, now she's getting
Not dainty anymore. Is that good, Ava?
Oh my gosh, so adorable.
Why are you sad, Isaiah? You don't think you're going to get any cake? You're going to get some cake. Daddy's cutting it.
It's coming.
You see his face. Oh, funny.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to do a fork or something.
Oh, yeah.